This is my little sister. We both are going to make a pizza for me and this little sister going to. So let's start. These all are ingredients. This and this. Now first I will take this pasta and pizza sauce. I will open it. Then I will take the spoon and pour in it some. But you wait. So I will
Add more.
and I will add more some. But you wait. Some more.
Okay, done. Okay, done.
Now I will keep this aside.
Wait.
Keep this aside and take some mozzarella cheese. You take thoda ke ani jagah टाकते बघ. Like this. You have to take some. Very good. Some here. No, here. In the middle, one do. This side. This is empty. Very good, you lady. Now best.
Okay, done. Spread.
Then we will spread this cheese over here, and pack it. Next. Then what are the next? You only tell. Then we have to take this some and look. Take. And some pour here. And here. This is not tofu, this is paneer. Paneer? Huh? It's paneer, baby. Okay. Spread evenly. Now I will spread this, of course. Hard one. This is pizza's seasoning. Let's go. Slowly. Arey, spoon mat. Bas, very good. My mother put this pizza in this air fryer bucket. Now let's start it. I'm very chummy. Look at this. Let's start. Do you want to start it? Look, this is starting button. 3. In count of 3, 2, 1. We have done our pizza. Now we have to bring it out. It's very hot, huh?
Okay, go to my room.
Now my mother will take this out and we will cut it from this knife. Babu. Yummy! It's very hot and tasty. So look, can we cut it? So we have made this. Now let's go and eat it. I cannot control myself.